My name's Bradley Riding. I work in General Assembly at Singer and I've been here for about 3 years. I was first attracted to Singer because I'd seen a lot online, Instagram, YouTube, the Top Gear videos, etc. I love the fact that we take so much pride in what we're doing. My progression at Singer has been quite linear, it's been quite nice. They structure things well here. Once you progress your way up, as I did, you get to become a lead on the vehicle and then you can start supporting with shakedowns and stuff because you have the product knowledge for that. People start to split off into their own little avenues. Then I myself have took on commissioning. Some of the lads now specialise in doing a lot of the engine fit stuff, so the work gets divvied out, but we sort of play to each other's strengths in a way. It's quite nice. The most rewarding part of my job is definitely seeing the cars at shakedown, being able to go out in passenger as part of the shakedown process. Not only do I like looking at the data and stuff, but just actually being in the car, hearing how it feels. Sensory overload, I say almost, but it is really quite fantastic. The team dynamic in the workshop's really good. We have a broad age of people. Everybody's come from different backgrounds, whether it's dealership technicians like myself, lads who've worked on race teams. We have a very multifaceted skill set. Everybody tries to help each other. Some lads are more experienced, we have apprentices, so it's good and varied. At Singer, everybody's definitely a bit of a petrol head, whether it's very motorsport focused, which it ends up being around here. We're close to Silverstone, obviously, so everybody does have a keen interest in that stuff, but it helps really bleed into like everybody does care about the job. We're all trying to do the best. Everything is important. It's on the wall at the end of the workshop. So yeah, it's good. It's a good team dynamic. Advice I'd give somebody trying to apply for Singer is just go for it. I know when I was originally thinking of joining because of the price on the cars, obviously there's that, am I going to be good enough for there, as we'd all doubt ourselves, but just chuck yourself in at the deep end with it. I think we've got a very good company and culture around us for helping support people and see how you get on. Long hours, but rewarding, definitely.